Life on Earth began in water and evolved there for 3 billion years before spreading onto land. Water is the substance that makes life possible as we know it here on Earth and possibly on other planets as well. All organisms familiar to us are made mostly of water and live in an environment dominated by water. In this lesson, we will examine only two emergent properties of water that contribute to Earth's sustainability as an environment for life: cohesive behavior and also ability to moderate temperature. Now, let's look at the structure of water molecule. It's shaped like a wide V, with its two hydrogen atoms joined to the oxygen atom by single covalent bonds. The oxygen of the molecule has partially negative charge, and each hydrogen has a partially positive charge. The properties of water arise from attractions between oppositely charged atoms of different water molecules. The partially positive hydrogen of one molecule is attracted to the partially negative oxygen of a nearby molecule. The two molecules are thus held together by a hydrogen bond. Each water molecule can hydrogen bond to several others. These associations are constantly changing. When water is in its liquid form, its hydrogen bonds are very fragile. At any instant, most of the water molecules are hydrogen bonded to their neighbors. The extraordinary properties of water emerge from this hydrogen bonding. The hydrogen bonds form, break, and reform with great frequency. The molecules are constantly forming new hydrogen bonds with associations of partners. This is the reason why water has low viscosity, so it can act as a good lubricant. Water has low viscosity. Viscosity is the measure of resistance of a fluid to flow. This contributes to the role of water as a solvent for chemical reaction and for blood circulation. Collectively, the hydrogen bonds hold the water molecule together, give rise to a phenomenon called cohesion. Cohesion is the attractive force between molecules of the same substance. Cohesion contributes to the transport of water and dissolved nutrients from the roots to the leaf through a xylem. Related to cohesion is a surface tension. It's a measurement of how difficult it is to stretch or break the surface of a liquid. At the interface between water and air is an ordered arrangement of water molecules, hydrogen bonded to one another and to the water below but not to the air above. This gives water a high surface tension, making it behave as it were coated with an invisible film. You can observe the surface tension of water by slightly overfilling a drinking glass. The water will stand above the rim. The water strider takes advantage of these properties to walk across a pond without breaking the surface. Water has high specific heat capacity, which is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of water by 1 degree Celsius. This property is due to hydrogen bonding between water molecules. Heat must be absorbed in order to break the bonds. What is the relevance of water's high specific heat capacity to life? The high specific heat capacity of water stabilizes ocean temperatures, creating a favorable environment for marine life. Water that covers most of Earth keeps temperature fluctuations on land and in water to permit life. Organisms are made primarily of water. They are better able to resist changes in their own temperature. Water has a high heat of vaporization relative to most other liquids. To evaporate 1 gram of water at 25 degrees Celsius, about 580 calories of heat is needed. This emergent property resulting from the strength of its hydrogen bonds, which must be broken before the molecule can change to water vapor. High heat of vaporization contributes to the cooling effects in human. Evaporations of sweat from human skin release body heat and helps prevent overheating on a hot day, or when excess heat is generated by strenuous activity. Now we have reached the final stage of our lesson. We have already seen how life on Earth depends on the chemistry of water. We have described the properties of water molecules and relate its physiological roles in the organisms. As a conclusion, we can say that some of the properties of water that contributes to Earth's sustainability are as follows. Water has low viscosity. Cohesive behavior of water. Water has a high surface tension. Water has a high specific heat capacity, and also water has a high heat of vaporization. So, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you for watching. Bye.